how you can cancel order on Shein. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us start. First, just open up Shein and just go to your orders. Just go to your me section right there. After you go to your me, just go to your orders, tap on view all, and right there you will be able to find your order. Now after you find your order, just what you'll need to do is tap on the order, tap on the specific order, and after the page opens up, on the bottom left you will see three dots. Tap on the three dots and just tap on cancel order, and you will be able to just confirm the cancellation and select the product and just tap on cancel again, and your order will get cancelled. It's that simple, guys. That is how you cancel an order on Shein, and that is pretty much all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.